Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the destroyment. So guys, see this? Guys, this is the battery pack, everything. Oh, it cooked. Control a bit, not. Control a bit. You can't trust this anymore. Can't play on my Xbox 360 anymore because I don't have it. So yeah, that's done with. The headset. So I'm just gonna throw that down there. Guys, this is the part inside. Am I able to open it up? See that, guys? Not playing, not able to listen to anybody anytime soon. Yeah, this is little head fingers right there, that and yeah. Alright, let's show you this. Oh, it still spins, guys. See? It still spins, but I don't think this is gonna work. Nope. And finally, the car. Alright. Does it still work? No? Let's see. Oh, the wheel plan. Oh, it still spins though. A bit. Oh, look, it spins a bit. These wheels spin though. Yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's basically it. So, yeah, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notifications, and see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.